Welcome to Iceland. A land shaped by fire, ice, and time. Few places on Earth offer such dramatic natural beauty, where powerful forces of nature can be seen and felt in every direction. Iceland sits on the boundary of two massive tectonic plates. Because of this, the island is alive with volcanoes, geysers, and hot springs. Visitors can walk between the continents at Ingvellir National Park, or watch boiling water erupt skyward at the famous geyser geothermal area. Glaciers define Iceland just as much as volcanoes do. Enormous ice caps, such as Vatnajökull, cover vast parts of the country. They carve deep valleys, feed roaring rivers, and create sparkling ice caves that glow with shades of blue found nowhere else on Earth. Water is one of Iceland's greatest natural forces. Hundreds of waterfalls tumble down rugged cliffs, each one different in character. Gullfoss, known as the Golden Falls, crashes into a canyon with immense power, while Seljalandsfoss lets you walk behind its curtain of water for a breathtaking view. The coastline of Iceland is equally stunning. Black sand beaches, formed from volcanic rock, stretch along the southern shores. At Reykjavík, towering basalt columns rise from the sea, shaped by centuries of waves and wind. Iceland's natural world also includes vast lava fields, moss-covered landscapes, and peaceful geothermal pools heated from deep within the earth. These hot springs are more than just beautiful, they have been an essential part of Icelandic life for generations. And of course, the sky above Iceland brings its own wonders. In winter, the northern lights swirl in vibrant ribbons of green and purple, dancing across the darkness. In summer, the midnight sun keeps the sky bright through the night, giving endless daylight to explore nature's beauty. Iceland is a place where nature feels close, powerful, and alive. It reminds us of the Earth's raw energy, and invites us to experience landscapes that are truly unforgettable. Reykjavik. A city where rich history meets bold innovation. In recent decades, Reykjavik has transformed from a quiet Nordic capital into a modern, forward-thinking city that blends sustainability, technology, and design with Iceland's natural beauty. Reykjavik's modernization begins with its unique approach to energy. Today, almost all homes and buildings are heated using clean geothermal power. This shift not only reduced pollution, but helped Reykjavik become one of the most environmentally conscious cities in the world. Modern Reykjavik is a model for green living. With electric buses, expanding cycling paths, and an ongoing commitment to renewable energy. The city's skyline has also evolved. Contemporary architecture now stands beside colorful traditional houses, creating a striking contrast between old and new. The Harpa Concert Hall, with its shimmering glass facade, has become a symbol of Reykjavik's creative future. A space where art, music, and technology come together. Reykjavik's waterfront has undergone a major transformation as well. Former industrial areas have been redesigned into modern neighborhoods with cafes, cultural centers, and scenic walkways. These new spaces connect people with the ocean while revitalizing the city's social life. Technology plays a central role in Reykjavik's modernization. Digital services, smart city initiatives, and high-speed internet access support a fast-growing tech and innovation sector. Startups, creative studios, and research companies are shaping Reykjavik into a hub for new ideas. At the same time, the city's infrastructure continues to adapt. Improved public transportation, expanded pedestrian zones, and thoughtful urban planning are creating a more accessible and sustainable environment for residents and visitors. Yet, through all this progress, Reykjavik has preserved its soul. You can still find the small cafes, vibrant street art, and welcoming atmosphere that make the city feel personal.